In this tutorial video, you will learn how to find the critical path from the schedule. The critical path method has the advantage of singling out critical tasks in order to complete the project and find out the flexibility of a schedule. A critical path can be determined by the longest sequence of activities that must be finished on time. There should also be no float in a critical path. There are 3 objectives for this video. The first objective is to work out the critical path via the longest path. The second is to filter out the critical tasks via total float value. The third is to highlight the critical tasks in the 3D model. For the first objective, go to 4D Simulation and Settings. Under the option Calculate Link Lag Using, select Task Date instead of Task Type. Click on the checkbox for Toggle Critical Path. All tasks in the critical path will be filtered out. For the second objective, we can locate the critical tasks with total float values equal to 0 using the Object filter. Exit Settings mode and click on Task Filters. Click New under Custom Task Filters. Then click Task Filter 1 to open up the selection window. Scroll down to the bottom of the list and click on the checkbox for Total Float or Slack. Make sure to click the text Total Float or Slack for more customization options to show up. The rule will be framed in orange. The comparison operator is equal to and custom value should be 0 hours. Then toggle the checkbox next to Task Filter 1 to activate it. All tasks in the critical path will be filtered out. The total float or slack column is visible when we drag the horizontal scroll bar to the right. The last objective is to highlight the critical tasks in the 3D model. You can expand the Highlight submenu and toggle the Float in Range option. The values should be 0. You can change the color of the highlighted objects by clicking on the color palette under the secondary column and then click on the color bucket. This is the result. Thank you for watching.